Hi, Ritik.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for completing your internship training.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ritik, introduce about yourself, your native and the college.
Yes, yes. Of course, I'm Atheek. Uh, I'm studying in Marwadi University, Ashok, Gujarat. So here uh, I have conduct internship in CMTA. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Yeah, I came to know about through the Instagram.
Okay, like how you got connected? Like how was the procedure? How the coordinators connected with you?
Okay, firstly, I have contact with CMDA staff. So they have give the opportunity to get internship, 1 month internship. So then I got connected. Yeah,
Okay, when you have started your internship training?
I have started on May 17th.
Okay, like how was your theory classes? How was the classroom environment?
In classroom, I have learned about practical knowledge about civil engineering. Main core course was the sequence of construction, safety, what are the procedure implementation section. So I learned through.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was the trainer support in the classrooms? Like, how they
Yeah,
used to teach you?
yeah. The trainer was excellent. They are really expertise in construction industry. So I got to know a lot of things about from them.
Okay, like how can you manage the language? How you work with the language lesson?
Yeah, basically I'm a Tamil person. So, but for me, I can understand English and everything. So here, all the CMD staff can speak English. They know exactly Hindi and Tamil, Kannada, all the language. So it's really good to join.
Okay, like how was your site visits? Where you have went the site?
Yeah, I have joined after 2 weeks site visit. That was a accommodation block. It was accommodation block. So then I joined after 2 weeks through the CMTI support.
Okay, like I think you have did the like few days you have worked in site also, right? In the
Yes, ma'am.
construction site. How was the experience? Where you have went and how they supported in the construction site?
Yes. Through that, I have learned about the workflow management in construction site. So how the day-to-day operation is done, the project control, how it's be done, and all the project manager and all the staffs from the consultancy, they always help ready to support you understand what exactly going on the project. So it was a really nice helpful for me. Yeah.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and CMT about the CMTA and about your
Yeah,
internship program?
yes, ma'am. I'm especially grateful to Ashok sir, CMC founder, and also staff member. They always support me get all the all the information about that Bangalore because I was new about Bangalore. So I especially thank to Divya ma'am and Monica and Deepa ma'am. So yeah, thank you so much for.
Thank you for your feedback. That was nice. The complete your college and come back will help you in the placement and all. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Ritik, for your feedback. Have a
Yeah,
great day.
thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, Amit.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for completing your internship program.
Thank you, ma'am. Really glad to learn in the CMTI Institute.
Okay. Like Amit, introduce yourself and your native.
मेरा नाम अमित कुमार यादव है. मैं मारवाड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी गुजरात में पढ़ता हूँ.
ओके, आप गुजरात से बैंगलोर तक आकर अपना इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीट किया है, कैसे लग रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm really feeling glad. And really thanks to CMTI team and actually for the SMM and especially thanks to Ashok sir, who is the founder of this CMTI. He really helps to know to learn the concepts and going through the classes and learning about the construction sites.
Okay, how was the classroom environment? What you have learned in the theory classes and how the trainer supported you?
Ma'am, actually, the classes going through, it was really good. I learned about into some of the interior designs about like plywoods, woodens, what they used in the interiors, and about the safety constructions, and the sequence of constructions methodology, and the quantity surveyors, how we can learn and how we can use it in the softwares, uh, and some of the drawings also we learned that how we can learn during going on the sites.
Okay, like what where you have went for the showroom visits and site visits, what you have covered?
Yes, ma'am. I was gone for the IKEA site showrooms and Fenestra windows, and also we went for the Lulu Mall also.
Okay, you have completed the like you were there with the construction site, right? For you were
Yes, ma'am.
taking the knowledge over there also. How do you feel and how what helped?
On the construction sites, I went for 2 weeks, and in the construction sites, I learned many things. How to make connections and how to manage the time, and how to contact with the like workers, even to site engineers, project managers, and even the clients also used to come sometimes, and even there used to be meeting weekly, so we used to talk with them, discuss how we can go through the project and the details about the projects. These things I learned, and in the science, I learned about like the uh, different types of drawings. There are like structural drawings, architectural drawings, sections, elevations, many things, and the checklist, how to mark, how to check, and for the quantity surveys also I learned, and the bar bending schedules we used to learn. Uh, Actually, the from my side, project manager really helped me to go through the construction.
Okay, that's nice. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMT and about your internship program also?
I will really grateful if I will tell my friends to come and learn in CMTI Institute, because it's really helpful for the future and for the studies. And even if you're coming before completion of graduation, it's really good to know about the uh, going through the sites and the things which will help in the future.
Okay, that's nice. Like, thank you for your feedback. Complete your college and come back. We'll help you in the placements.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll be waiting. Like, have a bright future and complete your college and crack our.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, Amit, for your feedback. Thank you. Have a
Okay.
bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.